fellow humans, and welcome to another video. My name is Jackie if you're new here, and today I will review the Nutr nut milk maker. Even though the Nutr team sent me this one, they didn't request for a video like this. This was really about doing an honest review. I'm also don't earning any commission or money when you buy the product. As you may know, I'm still going through my green card process. I'm still not allowed to legally earn any money in the United States, and therefore I'm not making any commission or any money on you buying this product. I really like it. I really think it's a cool new product. This is how it looks. Super nice and sleek design. I really like the minimalistic design it has. If you are a little bit more active on Instagram and the vegan community, you probably have seen this one because a lot of influencers are talking about it at the moment. The team of Nutr machine was really nice, and they gave me the opportunity to test their product before it launches and to share it with you, to share my experience with you. I've been using it for around 2 or 3 weeks now, and I thought I'm talking a little bit more about it. I will start with a couple of pros, what I really like about using it, and then I also will sum up my cons about this product so you can determine if this is the right product for you to purchase. First of all, what is the Nutr? It is a single serve nut milk maker, but it can not only do nut milks like almond milk or hazelnut milk or whatever. It can also do plant milks like oat milk or hemp milk or soy milk or rice milk or whatever. There's plenty of options. You can do almost any plant milk with it. There are 3 functional buttons on the machine. So you have the no heat button, which is done in like 2 minutes. You have the warm button, which takes around like 5 minutes. And then you also have the hot button, which takes 20 minutes, but is needed if you want to do like soy milk, which needs to be heated up to be consumed safely. And so yeah, you can also make soy milk with it or rice milk with it and use the hot button, which is really cool. It's a single serve machine, which means you get around 1 cup to 1.5 cups of plant milk when using this one. Also a sustainably focused brand, which I really like. They really try to make this product as sustainable as possible, and with every purchase they also plant a tree, which I really like. I personally think we need more brands working like that, being like that. So this also brings me to one of my pros, which is you are reducing your emissions. You are getting more sustainable by making your own plant milk at home, and this product, in my opinion, makes it super easy. You don't have to use those cheese cloths and strain it by hand and all of that. So it really makes it super quick, super easy. There comes a little strainer with it if you really don't want any like nut crumbles in there or something, but you could also just let it run and drink it. I've learned some people really like if there are crumbles and nut pieces in their milk, so maybe that's something for you. Despite the sustainability and the variety of nut milks and plant milks you can make with it, that you have full control over what goes into your plant milk. There's usually added oils, added salt, sometimes added sugar, preservatives, all these kind of things that are in there, and especially when it comes to nut milks, often there's not a lot of nut in the milk actually. So I really like that you have full control over what really goes into your nut milk. You can make it sugar-free, you can make it salt-free, or you can add, you know, your favorite sweetener like maple syrup, honey, agave, coconut sugar, dates, whatever, you know. You have way more control over it. Another pro for this product is just a great way to swap from cow's milk to plant milk. And then the last point that may concern you about this product is you have to clean it, right? Because you reuse it, not like cartons that you just throw away. I have to say, like, it's super easy to clean. This thing takes like 30 seconds to clean. Don't let it sit after you use it. Use it, strain your milk, clean it. I'm really impressed how easy this thing is to clean. These were my big pros for the Nutr. The con that I see is that it's a single serve product, so if you make your milk, you usually get like 1 cup or 1.5 cups. You don't get more when you use it. It's harder to make a big batch that you keep in your fridge for longer, for a couple days. On the other hand, this con also makes it a pro again because you're forced to drink fresh nut milk or plant milk every time, so you also get fresh milk every time because you use it more frequently. So the con is also pro on the other hand. I don't know how it is if you have a big family, but if you're just a family of 2 or 3 people, maybe even 4, you should totally be fine. It takes like 2 minutes on cold. If you need a second batch, that's still done in like 4 or 5 minutes in total, so yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. So overall, it's basically a small food processor, I feel like, which has the options of warmth and heat as well, that is basically specifically made to serve you with nut milk. This is really all the cons that I have for this product. I can't really think about anything. There's nothing that annoyed me or that I found awful using this product. My husband's super happy with it. We're using it every morning to make oat milk, fresh oat milk. We are saving money by not buying any nut milk in the store anymore. Oat milk is so cheap to make. Occasionally we also make nut mix out of it. Even that is cheaper than buying, especially when you buy nuts in bulk. So let's talk about the price of this product. It is now available for $129, which is a little less in euros and I think a little bit more in Australian dollars. So initially it may seem a bit expensive, but first of all, if you use this code SIMPLESPRINKLE15, you get 15% off your purchase. So it's already cheaper if you use that code, just so you know. But if you think about it long term and how much money you save over months and years, it, I think, repays itself. What I always also consider is not only the price you pay buying a thing, but also what price you pay environmentally, sustainably. If you invest into the nut milk maker, you also invest into a better future for yourself, for your children, for all of us. And I think that's also something that you also have to keep in mind. So despite what you're actually paying, I also keep in mind what you're saving long term and what you're saving in emissions long term. Overall, yes, it is $129, but long term you'll save. That was my experience with the nut milk maker. A great way, an easy way to make your own fresh plant milks at home, making the vegan plant-based lifestyle a little bit more fun, a little bit more exciting, and really fashionable. Oh, and also, I'm right now running a giveaway, so if you want to try your chance on winning nut milk maker, go onto my Instagram. The link is in the video description below. If you maybe see this video a couple days after it released, the giveaway will be over. I also want to mention they do deliver internationally. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful to you. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Put on the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and see you soon with more plant-based and vegan content soon. Bye!